Let's make some chicken wings in the air fryer. You only need 5 easy spices. Just mix those together and then sprinkle half of it on the wings. Once those are sprinkled in, you kind of pat it down lightly to help it really stick to the wings, and then turn them over and sprinkle the other side with the rest of the spice mix. These then are ready to go. Transfer them to an air fryer basket. Now, I have an oven style air fryer. This is a little bit more of a flat and open type of basket. Yours may be different and you may end up stacking them on each other. That's okay, it'll still work. Stick then your basket in the air fryer and start cooking them at 400 degrees. After 10 minutes, I like to turn the wings. This is where if you have more of a basket style, you'll want to shake them a little or something to kind of give them a little different orientation before you finish the cycle. Then air fry them for 8 to 10 more minutes to finish the cook. Then they'll be all cooked and ready to eat. If you like your wings super crispy, you might want to do them longer or maybe do a few minutes at a higher temperature. I like them to be more tender. That's why I quit here and just enjoy them as is. Just transfer them to a plate and they are ready to serve. There's a printable recipe down below in the description. Please enjoy and let me know how you like them.